In this video, we're unboxing the Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench and Extension Tool Set. The set includes a 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, a 3/8-inch ratcheting wrench, a 1/4-inch ratcheting wrench, a 4-inch extension bar fits the 1/4-inch ratcheting wrench, a 5-inch extension bar fits the 1/2-inch ratcheting wrench, a 6-inch extension bar fits the 3/8-inch ratcheting wrench. The ratcheting wrench paired with a flexible swivel head, making it easy to work in tight spaces. The swivel head can go up to 90 degrees, maximum out at 180 degrees. Now, let us move on to how to use this tool. When there's an obstruction right above the fastener, a regular wrench can't turn the bolt easily. So we use this Flex Head Ratcheting Wrench. We can position the head onto the fastener.